here I am, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. It's been raining all night. I'm just gonna go back to bed. It's pouring down rain. I think it's supposed to get a little break around noon. This is my sleeping bag. It's dry in here though. And look how it's just really raining. I just don't feel like getting out of my tent. I just don't lose another day. I don't have a lot of food. I don't have a lot of battery in my phone. I get very little battery in my phone. I just don't want to get out and be wet. It's pretty dry. Oh no. Let's get a little place where there's water coming in. That's a problem. Now I have water, so now I gotta get up and get out. It's a real problem. Great. Alright, so here's the plan. We got water coming in. Well, drip, 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 but it's right over my head. So there's a shelter like 4 miles down. It's like 2 hours or so. Get up, get dressed, get out in the water, get wet. I just don't really this tent. I'm very happy here right now. I can stay dry, but I've been just getting here for like 12 hours. So I guess it's time to get up. Good morning.